Good morning, one and all present here. I'm Nadnhini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic on IoT levels. In what is an IoT levels? An IoT system comprises of the following components. First one is a device, second one is resource, third one is controller service, and fourth one is a database. What is a device? And the IoT device allows identification, remote sensing, actuator, and remote monitoring capabilities. In resources are software components on the IoT devices for accessing, processing, and storing the sensor information, which is used to control the actuators which are connected to the devices, and the resources which also use it to include the software components that enable network access for the devices. Next one is an controller services. In the controller services is a native service that runs on the device and interfaces with the web services. Controller service sends data from the device to the web service and receives the commands from the application via for controlling the devices. In a database can be either local or in the cloud and stores the data generally by IoT devices. What is explains is that in the device we will be having a remote sensing networks, actuators, and a monitoring control of an identification. In the resources, and information can be stored, which is used to device and access, then connected to the devices. Resources also includes the software components and etc. In the controller services, devices consist to receive and send data via internet. Database is used to store the data in a local and an assured softwares. Now, web services are a link between the IoT device application which is used to analyze the components. Web services can be either implemented using hypertext transfer protocol and REST principles. Using WebSocket protocols, stateless, stateful, unidirectional, bidirectional, request response, full duplex, header, overhead, TCP connection, and scalabilities are being used here. Analysis components. The components consist of responsibility for analyzing the IoT data and generate the result easy to understand. And the application. IoT application provides an interface that the users can be used to control and monitor the various aspects of the IoTs. Application also allows to view the system status and view the processing of data, and the first one is in level 1. In the level 1, a local area network been connected with an application. It is connected with the REST WebSocket communication and a REST WebSocket services. These have been connected with the database, and down it is connected with the control services, resources, and devices. It is used to monitor node, performs analysis, store data with the help of node. In this level 1, IoT has a single node device that performs an actuator, storing data, performs and analyzing and hosts the application. And level 1 IoT systems are suitable for modifying the low cost and low complexity solutions where the data involved is not bigger and the analysis equipments are not being used. Example, home automation, AZ or light. The level 2, a cloud and a local cloud, and the cloud has been used in it. An application, REST WebSocket communication, REST WebSocket services and database are in the right side. And on the left side, local consists of controller service, resources, devices, which is used for monitoring the node performance analysis, and everything has been stored in cloud. It consists of performing sensors and actuators and local analysis. Data is stored in the cloud and application is usually cloud-based. In level 2, IoT systems are suitable for solution where the data involves in big. However, the primary analysis equipment is not compulsory, can be done locally itself. Example, smart irrigation system. In the level 3, a local area network, a cloud. The cloud consists of application with the REST WebSocket communication, REST WebSocket communication with the help of database. And the REST WebSocket communication used to communicate between a controller services and a REST WebSocket communication with the help of resources and devices is used for monitoring the node. Everything has been stored in the cloud storage and it has been analyzed. In level 3, IoT system has a single node data stored and analyzed the cloud, and the application is cloud based. In level 3, IoT systems are suitable for solutions where the data involved is big and the analysis requirements have been computationally intensive. Example, tracking, package handling. at the time of tracking the package handling, we have to see many things, because handling of a package is not that much easier when compared to other levels. So it has 6 levels in IoT. The rest of the levels we can see in the next video. Thank you so much for the